Use the health savings account to pay for medical expenses. Claiming your contributions correctly in TurboTax ensures you get the tax benefit you've earned. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You'll report this in the Deductions and Credits section. Look for the category Medical, and then find Health Savings Account, HSA. TurboTax will guide you through a few simple questions. You'll need your Form 5498 SAR, which you get from your HSA provider. This form shows your total contributions for the year. Enter the amount from the form, and TurboTax will calculate how much of it is deductible based on your coverage type and income. My crucial pro tip: don't forget about excess contributions. If you contributed over the annual limit, you must report that too. TurboTax will help you calculate the small penalty tax to keep you compliant. It's better to address it now than get a surprise letter from the IRS. Properly reporting your HSA keeps your health strategy both smart and tax efficient. Do you use an HSA for current expenses, or are you saving it for the future? Let me know your approach below. For more guides on smart tax deductions, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.